Hello everyone, I am posting a video just as a reference for those of us who really find it hard or find it very expensive to hire a professional to repair. In this case, it's a Frigidaire electric range stove, and I will be posting the model number and the parts number on the title of this video. But what happened is I couldn't, when I switched the big element here, I think it's the 8-inch element, it's not heating anymore. This element right here, this other big element, you know, the temperature, no matter how you set it, to what temperature you set it, it just goes all the way up to maximum. It's, you know, getting really annoying. And so I researched online and I found that it's the control switch that's the problem. And I made a research with my parts number and with my model number here. I was able to see that I was able to research, and the part number for this control switch for a larger element. Remember, there's two control switch for the smaller element and then for the larger element. What I'm replacing right now are the larger elements, and this is the specifications. You can buy it original equipment for more expensive price, but in my case I looked at Amazon and I found this one, which has good reviews, for $29. So I bought it in about $60. So to start, I have to remove my stove, and of course I have to unplug it just to make sure it's safe. And then what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the back here. And so as you can see, I already started unscrewing and then left one screw there. You just have to have a special tool to unscrew this one. I don't even know what what's the name of this screw head, but it looks like that. Okay, so I unscrew everything, and now I will be taking the last one here. Mind you, I just put it back for demo purposes, but I already unscrewed it. And then just take the part off. Just gonna put it there. And as you can see, it's just very, very easy, to my surprise, to replace it. And this is the affected control switch. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna remove this one. I'm gonna show you later if my partner is done and he's available. I'm gonna let him hold the camera so I can show you how to replace it. But it's pretty straightforward. It's very easy. I'm hoping that it works and will save me a good $300 for probably when you hire a professional. And mind you, if you're not comfortable, if you're not willing to take the risk, by all means, hire a professional. But in my case, with inflation, with everything, with mortgages, with adulting, it's just so hard right now to spend $100 just for them to come and assess and tell you what's going on, and another $100 for them to procure the parts, and then for the labor and costs and everything. And you know, they're just trying to make a living, and that's just fine. But right now, it's just making it very affordable with the situation, you know, inflation and everything. So I am just willing to take the risk, but I am not a professional. And please, if you're not comfortable, hire a qualified professional. I am just putting this video just for those people who's just willing to take the risk and do it themselves. Okay, all right, let's begin. Okay, and so here we go. I have my partner holding the camera. So what we do first, now we've exposed the back, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this one. Okay, the handle, it's just very easy. Just pull it out like that. And then it's gonna expose two screws, which I'm gonna unscrew so we can get the control switch free, and so we can change the wires. We can replace the parts. Make sure these screws are very small So be sure to really keep them. Put them in a secure place. In this case, I'll put it in a box where I got the new parts from. And once it's free, what you do is, this is the new part. All you have to do is, can you transfer over here? So they can see. What you do is you just pull the part like that and then unplug. To make it easier, and I got this from as an advice from other people as well, is really just to, every time you unplug something, you put it right away on the new part. So it's easier to, so you don't get lost. But this one is pretty self-explanatory. I actually applaud Frigidaire for doing this. In other companies, when I'm watching YouTube, other manufacturers, they don't have these plastic that sort of make it easy for people to just replace the parts. Okay. There you go. I think I snapped them back into place. I am just hoping that this works, but I compared the specification of this part to the old part, and it's exactly the same. So I'm quite positive, except for this number here, which I don't know. But yeah, okay, let's see. Oh, I'm just gonna clean this one. And then that's it. You just snap them all back in, and then put it back like that. Screw it back. By the way, sorry about the background music. If you hate Madonna, well, I'm so sorry for you. We were born in the 80s, so yeah, there you go. So just screw it back, very easy. And then put it back on. Oh my God. Okay, there you go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the other one, and then I'll get back to you later once I have everything put back and plugged, so I can show you if it works or not. All right, thank you. So I put everything back now, and then I put the stove back in place. Sorry for this one, but I'm just gonna clean that one. It looks dirty. But we'll see if this one is turning on. This one is completely dead. So let's start with this first and see if it turns on. I'm turning the... There you go. So that's very good. Let's see if it responds. I'll put it to low. So I'll put it to sim. So it should adjust. Ah, perfect. So there you go. And then this one, let's see, moment of truth. If it turns on, perfect. And then I'm just gonna put it to low and see if it will adjust. Oh, there you go. It adjusted. Perfect. I love it. And good luck and happy adulting. Bye.